Hey guys, this is Jennifer with TheWookie Natural, back with another video. And I want to tell you about this new challenge that I'm going to be starting soon. It's called the 50 by 50.
Hey, Ma.
Yeah, Jay, what is it?
I think you got a package.
Is it the package?
I think it's the package.
From Wish?
Yes, it is.
Okay, stay tuned, y'all. Hold on.
I opened it for you.
Thank you, Jay.
It's a little beat up girl.
This package took a long time to get here. I'm so excited. I can't wait to show you what's inside. I've ordered this package. When did I order this package, Jay? End of April? April.
May.
It could have been the end of April. It could have been the end of May. Does that make a difference? Because it still took doggone... We're in August. It's August.
It took them like 8 years and 22 days.
8 years to bring me this package. So let me tell you what's in this package, you guys. Back in May, I'm going to say May. I'm going to give them May. Back in May, I ordered this package from Wish. Do I need to say more? Do I? Okay. Well, it was this PolyGel kit. And, you know, Jay tried to warn me. She said, do not order from Wish. Do not. It'll take them forever to send your stuff. I said, no. It says, oh, it's going to be here. It's going to be here. Because it was cheap. See, if I had gone to Amazon and ordered it, I would have got my mess like 3 times already.
And if you ordered from AliExpress, it might have taken a longer time. But if my stuff, I ordered the same stuff. Well, not the same stuff. But I ordered stuff a little bit earlier than her from... No, at the same time. I ordered my stuff on AliExpress at the same time. And I got it way before she got her stuff. Even though it took a minute. It took like 2 months to get here because it's from China, whatever.
So my stuff came from Malaysia. Okay. So I'm happy it got here at all. Okay. So I'm excited. I got this PolyGel kit because I wanted to try the PolyGel. It's this new, well, I don't know. It's not really a new thing, but it's PolyGel. So I wanted to try it, and it seemed so inexpensive. I said, let me try it. So I ordered it, and I waited, and I waited, and I waited for a long time. So I'm excited that it's now here. So let's see what's in these boxes that I got. Okay. Ooh, I got gel polish. You see that? Gel polish. Okay, I got another thing of gel polish. Okay, that was what's in that box. Okay. Then, oh, I have a top coat. A top coat. Okay. So far, so good. Have a base coat. Okay. I got some stickers. I don't know what these are for yet. I'm gonna look. I have some instructions. That was great. I have some more instructions. I have 2 sets of instructions. Okay. Oh man, let's see. Okay, and now I have tools. So let's see what we have in this bag, okay? Looks like we have UV discharge, some packages, nail remover. It says nail remover, but I'm thinking it's alcohol gel polish cleanser. Oh, that's what this is. Alcohol gel polish cleanser. Then it says something with nail on here. Okay, there's a couple of those. I'll figure out what those are. More alcohol gel polish, cleanser, some stickers, some 3D stickers, you guys. Okay, so we got some of that. Ooh, we got a nice little brush. Great. We got a buffer. Great. Oops. We got, I have one of these thingies already, but we got one of those. What else? There's other stuff that fell. Got one of these. Cuticle Revitalizer Oil. That's what's in that box. Okay. So, a little cuticle nipper thingy. Okay. An emery board. Different kind of emery board. Some jewels. Okay. Okay, so it looks like they hooked me up. And let's see. Oh, Lord. Well, I could see why it didn't break. Well, we haven't tried it yet. Okay, so let's see. This is the actual, what is this called? An oven? Not an oven. It's not an oven. It's a dryer.
A curing lamp.
A curing lamp, yeah. A UV LED nail lamp. Okay, so it does comes with a nail lamp. Okay, and it has a little user's manual. Okay. I forgot how much I paid for this. It might have been like 30 or 40 bucks. It might have been. I'm going to just say that. So it looks like they delivered, but boy, did it take a long time to deliver. My goodness. So you'll see me using this in a video soon to test it out. I'm going to look at the instructions and see what it is. I mean, how to use it. And you'll see this in a future video where I try it. You know what I don't see is that there should be some nail forms or something in this kit. Maybe that's what these things are. Nope. Oh, there's a nail clipper. What I don't see are like nail forms. I thought these were supposed to come with some nail forms. Huh. Okay. Well, let me see. What's this? Nail art. So I will read the instructions. But I finally got my stuff. Oh, PolyGel Builder Extension Kit. I don't see no extensions in here. Is that what these are? I'll look. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I finally got my stuff. I'm so excited. Until next time, stay with me.